Here I'm replacing the windshield wipers on my 2016 GMC Canyon SLT. I've got Trico Ice Extreme Weather wiper blades. I'm hoping these hold up better in North Dakota winters. Oftentimes my wipers are frozen in my windshield and that can be hard on them. I bought these on Amazon. I'll be linking these below the video. That way you guys can buy them. It'll give me some money. I'd appreciate that. Taking off your old ones is pretty easy. There's a little tab in that square. You push that button down, pull the old ones off. Be careful setting down your windshield wiper. Now that it's metal, against your windshield it can scratch, chip your windshield, what have you. I can speed this up quite a bit. These wipers are adaptable to different vehicles. You'll see me mess around with different attachments for a while, and then finally give up and look for the instructions in there. I've had these on for about a year now, probably 15 to 20,000 miles, and they've held up really well. I'm impressed with them. Haven't had any skipping or noise or anything like that. You can see on the instructions there's quite a few different models. This is the instructions. You'll need to use the center row. You can pause it here if you need to look at it for a while. It's pretty easy. You just pop off the adapter that comes on the wipers, put on the one that has ABC on it, and it'll slip right on. You can see there's a button on the wiper. You got to push that down while with your left hand pulling that adapter towards your right hand. So you push the button down, push the adapter towards the button, and it should come out. It should be relatively easy. It's just a little finicky, so don't go too hard on it and break it. With that one off, you just pop on the correct one for your application. Again, this is for a 2016 Canyon. And that guy will slide right on the arm and click into place. Just an important note, this is an 18-inch. The one for the driver's side is a 22-inch. Passenger's 18, driver's 22. Just make sure you buy and use the right ones because they're not the same in this truck. And then I'll have just a little video of them running. They work great. Held up good so far. Thanks.